A quick and easy repair that'll fix your card tray or drink holder that won't stay closed. This will work on all Audi A4 models. Few things you'll need for this quick job: a small drill, 1mm drill bit, Phillips screw with 1.5mm thread, 3mm head, pliers and an angle grinder. Drill a small 1mm hole in the center of the tray where the broken off triangle used to be that locks the tray in place. Step 2, run the screw through the hole a few times to make sure it moves easily in and out. Step 3, grab a set of pliers, hold the screw so that the head is facing out and carefully grind it into a triangle. Step 4, screw the screw back in all the way down so that the straight part of the triangle is on the left hand side and the tip is on the right. Now a bit of a heads up, because the screw head has been grinded, you may lose the indent for the screwdriver to be able to properly screw the screw in again. That's why step 2 is very important, to make sure you run the hole through so that the screw easily moves in and out. As you can see, tray fixed, smoothly moves in and out, and you just saved yourself $70, $100, $200.